Hi everybody. This is the beginning of our vlog. And this is Mason. Say hi, Mason.
Hi.
And there's Michael. Say hi, Michael.
Hello.
And we are getting ready for my boyfriend to come from Denmark tomorrow. We're so excited. And we just want to welcome everybody to our channel. And we hope that you guys are having a good evening. And I've been busy making brownies and doing stuff to get ready to prepare for him to come. And he's excited. I just talked to him and he's in bed right now, but he'll be getting up at our 4 o'clock in the morning to travel from Denmark all the way to West Virginia in the United States. So welcome to our vlog, and we're happy to have you. Hope you guys will have a good day. All right, bye.
Goodbye.